Basic properties of matrices. So friends, here I show addition properties, multiplication properties, and scalar, some combined properties, right friend? Some scalar multiplication properties, right? So friends, let us consider let's consider ABC are three matrices of order m cross and m cross n. So now take addition properties, define addition properties. If a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c, if this condition hold, so this is called associative property. Addition property. Associative property for addition. If a plus b equals to b plus a, if you write a plus b equals to b plus a is always equal, so this is called commutative property for addition. Commutative property for addition. Suppose a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a. Here this 0 matrix is same order of like a. It means a is taken the m cross n order, so 0 matrix is also take the m cross n order. If we add, then value comes itself a matrix of same order. So here this 0 is called the additive identity, or this property is known as additive identity. Now fourth one is if a plus minus a equal to 0 matrix, or minus a plus a. If this property hold, then this matrix is known as, this minus a is known as the additive inverse. Additive inverse. Right? So these are the properties of the addition properties. Now move on, multiplication properties. Multiplication properties. In multiplication, ABC is matrices of m cross n order. So associative property, same associative property also hold in addition in multiplication. So this property is A, take multiplication dot ABC. So this is the associative property for multiplication. Now if take AI equals to IA equal to A, this is called, here this property is known as multiplicative identity, where I is known as a multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Next, if hold this property, it means A inverse equal to A inverse A equal to I. If this property It means multiplication inverse, where A is a square matrix and A inverse exists. So this property exists, then this property comes, and this is called multiplicative inverse. Here A inverse is known as a multiplicative inverse. Now this is the multiplication property, and must say commutative property. AB does not equal to BA. So commutative property for multiplication, commutative property not hold in multiplication, matrix multiplication. Right? Now next move on combined property. Combined properties, and this is say left distributive and right distributive. So if take property AB plus C equals to AB plus AC, this is called left distributive. Left distributive. And if we take B plus C, A, BA plus C, this is called right distributive property. Right, friend? So these are the properties for addition, multiplication and combined properties. Now next move on scalar multiplication property. Scalar multiplication property. Scalar multiplication properties. So friends, if I take a small ABC scalar, ABC are scalars, or so A, B, and this is matrix A. This can be right now A, B, A in this form. So this is the associative property for a scalar multiplication, right? The associative property for scalar associative property. Now next one is next take a scalar like A plus B, and this can be right here. A is a small a is a scalar, so this is called the distributive property. Next take in this form. This is also called the distributive property. So friends, these are the basic properties of the addition, multiplication, scalar properties, right friend? Now next move on, this is the basic properties. So thank you for joining my class.